In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Adobe Express. Whether you're polishing a document, branding a graphic, or adding a personal touch to a design, this quick process keeps your signature looking clean, professional, and consistent across your projects. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new project or opening an existing one. Think about the final use of your design as you set up your canvas. If it's for a letterhead or a form, choose a size that matches your document. If it's for a social post or a graphic, pick a preset that fits the platform. Once your project is open, take a moment to get oriented. Your main canvas is in the center, and the toolbar runs along the left side. That's where you'll access your media and design options. Next, if you already have a digital signature image ready, you'll bring it in. Look to the left panel, click Photos, then choose Upload, and select your signature file from your computer. The image will import into your project and appear on the canvas. For the best results, a PNG file with a transparent background is ideal because it lets the signature sit naturally on top of any color or texture without a box around it. A high-resolution image helps keep edges crisp, especially if you plan to resize it. If you're preparing a signature for the first time, keep it dark, clear, and on a clean background so it remains legible at smaller sizes. With the signature on your canvas, resize and position it where you want it. Click the image to reveal the corner handles, then drag a corner inward or outward to scale it. Use the corners rather than the sides to keep the proportions intact and avoid stretching. Place the signature in a spot that matches the purpose of your design. For documents, the lower right or left corner often looks most natural. For graphics, you might tuck it along an edge with a bit of padding so it doesn't feel cramped. Watch for the smart alignment guides that appear as you move the image. They help you center or align with other elements. Zoom in to check the edges and make sure the signature remains readable and not overly bold or faint against the background. That's it. Open your project, upload your signature through Photos, and then resize and position it with care. A few thoughtful adjustments go a long way toward a polished, professional finish.